Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership, Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit College 1. I'm joined by China.
Sithipho Njayam.
Yeah.
Siphinde salana Sithipho Njayam.
Yeah.
Sasishilo. Sathi Glory Days are back in natural.
They're back.
Lalela yazi kwenzakalani lana Sithipho.
Yeah.
This thing is very simple. Ucoach lana ufune uphuma kwishell ka Diamond kanabi.
Yes.
Now ucoach sesamdoubt ama decision wakhe.
Yeah.
Mabeqala ukuthi now siyaphuma kule umbrella kanabi. We want to build our own team.
Yes.
And indeed benze kanjalo. Look at some changes abazenzayo now. Sinento entsha ku Chiefs esibonayo now. I-consistency ku starting 11.
Yeah.
Sibona the same starting 11. This is the starting 11 ebesisibonile Durban. Now siyaphinda siyasibona FNB.
Yeah.
This is the thing that we need. Siyayazi ukuthi ubani udlala nobani. Then it builds the team lonto leyo. And then it builds in terms of ama combination nendlela yokudlala. Ezintwana abomfundo vilakazi bagain confidence because of bathola game time.
Yes.
This is the Chiefs ebesifuna ukuyibona.
Yes.
This is the Chiefs nami engenze ngathi no man athi ngithinta ijezi lami ngibuye ngibajoin abafana. Izinto ezenzekayo ke lezi. I'm sorry kwabanye nabanye.
Yeah.
But now ipain izawufilwa ngabanye. Laba bakamukoko bazoyifeel ipain. Bayifile. Laba Sithipho. Laba baphethu
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?